I always give them opportunities to we call it individual development plans. I ask them, what are your aspirations? Based on your aspirations, let's create a plan, an individual development plan for you that from this period of time, you'll be able to attend X number of trainings, X number of workshops. You'll be able to handle and be mentored, and you'll have all the support. So as I expose them to all, not only internal stakeholders that can provide them opportunities, but also external training and development opportunities.